people use you. If you let them use you, they gonna use you every time. Tell you what I mean when I get right back. Run that intro!
KinggEATEAT, 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 KinggEATEAT. I like chicken, I like beef, I like spaghetti with a whole lot of meat. KinggEATEAT, yeah, KinggEATEAT.
Yes, sir. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Moment, aka KinggEATEAT, and today, you know what it is. You see the vibe, baby. Today, this ain't no home cooking. No, Rona. This ain't no home cooking, but it's home cooking. Came from a place called, what is it called? Peggy's? Peggy's. You ain't in Memphis, you wouldn't know what I'm talking about, so it don't matter. As a matter of fact, QueenEATEAT got me some cabbage. What them called? Candy yams. What is these? Turkey necks. Some baked chicken and some cornbread. Somebody in the comments said, man, you don't never know what you eating. I do be knowing what I'm eating, I just be forgetting. And somebody asked me, why you don't never pray before you eat? I always pray before I eat. We pray before the food even hit the plate. That's why y'all never see me pray. But I pray every time. Come on now. Let me get a thumbnail. Thumbnail. Yes, sir. How y'all day? What the air went off? How y'all day going? Yeah, how y'all day going? Everybody took their shots. I know everybody got them shots already now. No queen got hers, you know. I tried to tell her not to, but she don't listen to me, y'all. So.
Ain't lying.
Y'all know how they go. I done put some hot sauce on my candy. Yeah, like that. Hold on, y'all. Oh, man. No. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Remember I told y'all don't let people use you, right? I'm gonna tell you why I said that. So me and my homeboy, right? His sister, best friend, mama, which is his godmama, right? Called her over, said she needed some help. So, she asked me and my partner, come over and help, right? Said she got a couch need moving. I'm a pretty good guy. So I'm like, okay, cool. I'm willing to help out. Somebody in need. You know, it's just what I do, that's how I get down, you know. So we get over there. When we get over there, this ain't half bad. Okay. I see you, Miss Peggy. Just ain't had back. All right. Y'all already know. There's gonna be some sucking going on there. Come on there. Y'all know y'all gotta get out in the creases. I ain't talking about the neck bones. But what's going on? I can't even start about it. Oh yeah. When we get over there, right? Remember now, we have probably been going over there to help move something. And we get over there, what she want us to move, she don't want us to move it right now because there's some other stuff around it. So I'm like, okay, cool. But before we do any of that, she said she gotta have help getting out of her wheelchair so she can go to the bathroom. My boy's sister wasn't strong enough to do it, so we helped her out, right? Of course, we were gentlemen. You know, close the head to the side, you know, as we should. So, we helped her out. We moved the stuff away in front of her. We moved. She needed us to move. I'm like, I'm ready to go. Nah, we done did our part now. Oh, they were here kind of burnt a little bit, ain't it? But it don't taste burnt.
It's smoked.
Oh, it's smoked. Okay. That's what it say. It look burnt, but it don't taste burnt. So y'all, she was calling, asking us to do different stuff. Well, now I'm ready to go now. Now, I did what I came over here to do. Now I'm ready to go. See, that wasn't the reason why I don't like riding with nobody. Cause when I'm ready to go, I'm ready to go. I don't like riding with people. I'll pull off and leave somebody. You ain't gotta be ready. I'm ready. I'm gone. Right? But it's chicken good and tender. You making Kool-Aid? I doubt it. You made Kool-Aid the other day. It's gone. I killed a whole jug of Kool-Aid one day. You already know that. No, you made the other day.
I sure wish you stopped sucking the bones like that shit.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, then. Stay there for the people. Yeah. Stay there for the people, baby. Cause if y'all weren't here, she'll be saying something else.
What would I be saying?
I sure wish I was there, man. Yeah. You know.
Maybe.
Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, stay there for the camera. I'm sorry, y'all. It's good here. Well, anyway. Like I was saying, at this point, I'm ready to go. Now, then when I figured out she was using us, right? One of her friends, now she made us think she can't get around, she ain't left the house. She told us she hadn't left the house since the Big C started. She don't never have no company or none of that, right? I'm telling you, we just straight up feeling sorry for her, y'all. I'm gonna be honest, I'm feeling sorry for her. You know, she lived up by herself. Don't nobody really come visit her like that other than a couple family members. So I'm kind of feeling sorry for her, right? Until I found out she was playing us. She had a friend came over there, right? Her friend came over there and the first thing she said was, girl, you got people over here helping you clean up? Girl, you must be still hungover from All-Star Weekend. All-Star Weekend? I just get crippled. I just go to All-Star Weekend. I ain't go to All-Star Weekend. She trying to throw it out, girl, you know, crying. I looked at my mom and said, bro, yeah. She said she need help getting out the chair. I should go to All-Star Weekend. I ain't go to All-Star Weekend, y'all. And I get in a wheelchair now. Ain't no way. We had to help this woman to the toilet. I said, bro, this woman using us to clean our house up. Mama tell you when I really figured out she was using us, y'all. The friend that came over there, right? She brought some pizza. Man, y'all should have seen this girl, this woman, going to get that pizza. Damn near knocked me over. Rolled the wheelchair on my toe and everything. Didn't anything kill me. See that, bro? See it right there? That's why I don't help people. Right there. Yeah, she just used us. Man. A low down down of a booger. You use her to clean our house up. I'm gonna be honest with you. I'm gonna be honest with you. Y'all might say can't eat you wrong, but I'm gonna be honest with you. I want her to pay me. I want her to pay me, y'all. Cause you ain't crippled. You been out there all-star weekend, you ain't crippled. Your friend come over here, talking about you must be still hungover from all-star weekend. You got people over here cleaning up your house for you. What? I come over here trying to help somebody in need. She using y'all, y'all using me. I need to get paid. You lucky. This lucky like I used to be. I would have took some. I felt like I should have got paid. You ain't crippled. You said you were crippled. You use her and she done used us. So I felt like we should have got paid. It's me anyway. Cause I ain't no king to none of y'all. I just come help my boy out. And his sister done used him and he done used me. Oh, you mean tell me I'm just to get paid? I don't want no that. Just come here a little bit. I was really mad and kind of jealous when I found out she went to All-Star Weekend. That what really made me mad. Friend going, girl, you still hung over from All-Star Weekend, ain't it? You got people over here cleaning up for you. Like we some housemaids or something. Do I look like housekeeping to you? Ever did I did, didn't it? Yeah. Yeah, you shut up. You don't tell me, I tell you. I should have knocked over at that wheelchair, act like I fell. And knocked her clean over. And then said, ooh, I'm sorry. Can't go to jail for this accident. I said, I will knock her over on purpose and act like it was an accident. But y'all don't let people use you. Cause you let people use you, they'll show use you. Boy, these pictures weren't bad. Yeah, that was 2 plates full of food. I should have had 3. But it was good. Y'all ever in Memphis? Make sure y'all check out Piggy's. It was fast. So y'all can't say.
It's the smack for me. It's the smack for me. The way you're sitting there smacking on them bones. Meat where?
Ha ha! Not there. Hey! Ain't no meat there, y'all. It gone. Stick a fucking me, I'm done. You know what? It ain't no Kool-Aid. But it sure would be nice if somebody made some. It sure would be nice if somebody made some. It sure would be nice if somebody made some. I love y'all. Each and every last one. Y'all, I'm trying to do something major. When I hit 5,000, I got something else for y'all. Y'all already know the grind don't stop. I'm gonna keep growing. We coming together. We doing our thing. Y'all sharing your boy. Don't think I'm gonna be seeing y'all sharing your boy. I see y'all. And if y'all want to send me some other kind of message or something, y'all got to hit me on Instagram. Y'all got to hit me on Instagram. True enough, I'm going to reply to y'all on YouTube. I'm going to reply to all my comments sooner or later. But you got to hit me up on Instagram. That's where your boy be at. I be on Facebook every now and again, but you got to hit your boy on Instagram. That's where I'm at. That's where the money resides. That's a lie. Don't no money reside there. YouTube is where the money resides. But I'm just saying, that's where your boy be chilling at on Instagram. So you gotta get it with me. I love y'all. Each and every last one. Whatever you do, don't take the vaccine. Everybody eat out there. Eat. Everybody else, we the gang. Y'all gang. We're not the same.
KinggEATEAT.